Realme has launched its new budget smartphone under C series in India called Realme C30 with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme C30 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a tall 88.7% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by UniSoC T612 chipset paired with Mali G57 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2 or 3GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 32GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme C30 features a single 8MP camera at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Realme UI Go Edition skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.6 by 8.5mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme C30 has been priced in India for 2GB plus 32GB storage variant at 7,499 Indian rupees, while the 3GB plus 32GB storage option is priced at 8,299 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from June 27th in lake blue and bamboo green color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme C30 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSolver YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.